So my wife pointed out one that I hadn't thought about for a while, which is I never change the air filter consistently in my furnace, but the furnace happens to be in my office because I share my office with the mechanical room. So I see it all the time. I just don't think about it all the time. So what we decided to do is I'm just going to leave a little whiteboard card that tells me when to change the furnace filter next time. I'll just put a date there. And we'll see if that makes an improvement for the future.